Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about price tampering. Now what is price tampering? Basically in price tampering we just modify the request made to the server and modify the original price. So if there's, let's say, anything in of 1000 rupees, we just modify the price to very less value, let's say 10 rupees, 20 or even 1 rupees. We do the payment and the product is delivered. So before getting started with price tampering, there are a few more that I want to share with you. Price tampering may cause you legal trouble in certain cases, like the website owner may file a case against you. So please proceed at your own risk. If you find price tampering bugging any site, please report it to the site support or the developer that created a site. You will usually find the phone number or email on that particular website only. You can also find price tampering bugs in vulnerability disclosure programs or bug bounty programs and earn bounties from it. So this can be a good tool for you to earn money. All the websites shown in this video has bugs which are fixed now. So basically whatever we are going to use in this tutorial, the websites, don't make any payment on that website. Otherwise your payment will be done and your order will not be delivered. Okay, so the product will not be delivered and your money will also not be refunded. So please don't make any payment to the website that I am going to show you in this tutorial. Next, avoid any large websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, any kind of large and famous websites, and websites which have good payment gateways like Stripe, Razorpay, Shopify, etc. Basically, you will not be able to modify prices on these kind of websites. If you want to find price tampering, try to find less secured or smaller websites. Usually, they are very less tested and have higher chances of price tampering bugs. Now this video is likely going to be taken down by YouTube as it is against the community guidelines. So if you want to access it later, you can join me on my Telegram channel. Yes, you can search my channel by this hacker tips. Okay. So with this, let's get started with price tampering. Now, how can we do price tampering? There are multiple ways, and I'll try to show you a few of them. The first one I'll be showing you is the quantity tampering. Let's just go with the example. I'll just copy my first website and open it in Firefox. So let it get open. Here is the let's say website, and this is a gift card website. And let's say I want to purchase any gift card. So what I'll do is let's just choose any random gift card. Let's say this one. Okay. So before you do anything, see, this is the cart icon. So basically the first kind of price tampering you will find is when you add any product to the cart, and the second tampering you can do when you will check out the product. Okay? So there are 2 points of modifying the prices. The first one is when you add the product to the cart. If this is not working, then you can also try the checkout piece. So the first one you will try at the cart. Okay? So to do this, you have to open your Burp Suite and turn on the intercept. Okay, now we have already many tutorials on how to use Burp Suite and intercept, so you can refer to those. We'll just focus on price tampering. So here what I'll do, I'll just try to click on this add to cart button. Now when you click on this, a request will be made. If this is a get request, just forward it. Okay, we are not looking for this one. And now this is a post request, but it is being made to the Google Analytics. We don't need it. Now this is being made to this particular website, giftcard.manjurkale.in. So let's see if any price is written here. Okay, you have to check in the payload section if any price is written here. So no, we'll just simply forward it. Then again get request, we'll forward it. Then Google Analytics forward it. So this page is open now. What you can do, you can just select any voucher value here, anything. Okay? So what I'll do, I'll simply click on 1000 and then I'll click on add to cart. So when I click on add to cart, you will see a post request is being made. The first thing that you can do is you can just try to temper the quantity here. So also value and quantity here. See, in the post request that is being made, there are a few things, like the first one is attribute PA voucher value. Voucher value is 1000 rupees, and then the quantity is 1. So since we are learning about the quantity tampering, what you can do, you can just try to reduce this 120.001, let's see, and just intercept this so that if there's any error we can find out. Forward it. Let's wait for the response. In the response you can see there's a 200 okay message. It's not showing any error, so let me just forward it. Just likely that this may contain an error, so I guess here it's not added to cart. Okay, so we'll try once again. Now it's not likely that you will just find the bug in the first uh, place. So what we will do, we will just again add to cart. Okay, so this is a post request. Let's again see this. Okay, let's just pass this, forward it so that it is getting added to the cart. We'll wait. Here a product has been added to my cart. We'll just forward it. Now here we'll do one thing. We'll click on the cart, and here you will see that I have the option to increase quantity here, increase or decrease. So what you can do, you can just click on any one, increase or decrease. So let me just click on decrease. Again a post request will be made here, and here you can see the new quantity is 0, but since we cannot buy anything whose quantity is 0, so what I'll do, I'll again make it 0.001. So I'll simply forward it, and uh, it says cart updated. Okay, so you can see the total subtotal prices just become 1 here. Since we are multiplying the quantity, price 1000 with 0.001, it became 1 piece. So what we can do, we can just turn off the intercept now and check out. Click on checkout, and let's see if it is getting reflected on the final checkout page or not. So you can see yes, it is getting reflected. So what you have to do, you just know, you can just add this email address, billing address, select the payment type and proceed to payment. But again, please don't make any payment to this website, as your payment will be done but your order will not be delivered. So this is the first way where we learned about quantity tempting. We will just change quantity to, let's say, 0.01, 0.001. It's not likely this will work on every website. This is a bug. Okay, so that basically what we are seeing here is this is a bug. Most websites have validation, right? They only allow integer quantities, but this website is letting us to enter float value of the quantity. That's why we are able to decrease the price so little. Okay, so this was the first thing, like quantity tempering. Cart tempering is same. Okay, like on the page when we were adding it to the cart, we will just modify the price instead of the quantity. So this was this. Now let's go with the next website. What I will do, I'll just copy this website, open it here, and close the first website. So this is the website. It is basically a book website. You can order books from here. If you try to do price tempering here on this website, let's say you want to buy this book and you will try to modify the price. So what will it will not work. Basically, what I'm trying to say. Let me just show you. If I click on add to cart, uh, here it's Goodreads. We have to forward. You have to only modify the request which is being made to the this particular website. So this website is Sapna Online. So we have to search for the Sapna Online and post request. We forward everything which is not from Sapna Online. Then here this is the post request, and we will see what is getting passed here. So let's see if you want to try the sorry, if you want to uh, change the product quantity here 0.001, here's a validation, so you will not be able to do it. Similarly, let's see what is the final price here, 399. So what you can do, you can just simply find 399 here. Okay, so there are three matches. Wherever the first match you can find, you have to replace it with some value. Let's say I want to change it to 1. Oops, sorry, I will try to change it to 1. Wherever it's 399, you have to change it to 1 or 10 or any value that you want. Okay, so I guess it's somewhere in between these values. I'm not able to find it. But anyways, you have to just change it in this post request. Okay, post request values. Don't worry about these things. So yes, let's just try to forward it and let's see if it's letting us to do the price modification. I'll just go to do intercept response to this request, forward it, forward, 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 forward. Okay, so this is the response. Let's see. Here everything is here, and if I just forward it, uh, product is added to my cart, but you will see there this is the original price. Okay, basically we were not able to modify it. It's because the price here is being stored on the server, so you will not be able to modify it. Okay, see in the final page you will see uh, only it's again 399, so we were not able to do the price tempering that we wanted to do. If you try with the quantity tempering again, let's just turn off the intercept and again turn it on. If I let's say try to modify it, and again the post request is being made. So if I try to do it, uh, product quantity to let's say 0.01, and if I forward it after intercepting it, you'll see I'll again fill. Okay, so it says null. So if I just forward it, uh, you will see the product was increased, price was increased to 2 and 798. So we are not able to temper it, but this is not the thing to worry. Here's one more thing that you can try. You have to find out all the ways where we can buy product from any website. So I'll just go back again here, and you will go to the e-gift card section. Now what we will do, we'll just choose anyone. Let's say I choose the Raksha Bandhan one, then I'll select the denomination. You can choose anyone. I'll select 10,000. I'll make the quantity this. I will write a message, anything random. Then I'll try the recipient name, anything randomly. Email you need, so I'll just use your temporary mail. Then recipient phone number, will just add a fake number. Send on date, let's say 16. And before adding the card, what you have to do, click on turn on the intercept, click on add card. Now a post request will be made. What you have to do, you can just try to change the price here. So here you can see the price is 10,000. We'll just reduce it to 1. Okay, now I'll again reduce it to 1. Let's try to forward it after intercepting the response, and it says 200 status 2. Okay, so if I just forward it, and then after if I click on proceed to payment, so this is a get request. We'll just follow, 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 follow. Okay, uh, wait. So these are the these two I have already added previously, so that's why you were able to see it like this. What you can do, you can just select delete this one. Yes, just forward it. Just turn off the intercept. You don't need it. Okay, so you can see I am able to buy 2 gift cards. I added these two previously, that's why you were able to see it. Okay, just delete this one also. Now you'll be able to pay this thing and buy the gift card. But again, don't make the payment as this bug is already fixed. You will not be able to get anything. So this is the second way where we change the price using card tempering. So let's get started with the third website here. This is authenticviews.com. I'll just open it. So here this provides services like views and followers to your social media profiles. Let's say I want to add few followers to my Instagram page. So what I'll do, I'll simply click on view all package for Instagram here, and for I'll select any one package that you want. Let's say I'll select this one, 500 follow for $7 in 2 days. So we'll just click on it, and here you type your email address. I'll just use your temporary email, and then here you need to add your Instagram profile page. So what I'll do, I'll just simply add my own BTW. I have very less followers. You can try following me here on Instagram. Now, what you have to do before, since there is no option to add to cart, what you have to do, turn on the intercept and click on get it started now. Now, since remember the price, it's $7. So what you have to do, you have to try to modify the price. In the post request, see it's something called RAD product is equal to 7. But this is not the price. Okay, if it will be price will be written as the parameter here. So I guess this is not. We'll simply forward it. Forward. We'll wait till any request is being made. Since there was only one request to the website now, and now it is making a request to PayPal. Okay, so PayPal is the your merchant, or what you can say, uh, here payment gateway, which will uh, make the payment for this website. So what we have to do, we have to find out the price and change it here. So you can see the amount here is 7. We'll just change it to let's say something else, 0.1. Okay, this is $7 initially. We will try to make it $0.1. What you can do, if you don't want to change the amount here, you can also try to change the currency code to INR. Okay, so we'll simply forward. Actually, you can just turn off the intercept. Uh, okay, so I have the quantity is 2, and you can see the price was reduced to 0.20. Okay, you can just try to change the quantity to 1 or 2. So you can see from $7 it is now just 0.20 USD. So this is how we can do the price tampering. Okay, so let's see our final website. Which website? Here it is. I'll just open it. Okay, and let's say I want to buy something. Let's say I want to buy a ring light, which I'm not actually going to buy. So what I'll do, I'll just click on turn on intercept before adding to cart. Click on add to cart now, and of course request is being made to the shop division. Here it is. You can see the quantity 1. If you try to change it, basically it will not be changed. Okay, so let's just forward it. We'll do it later. Okay, now here comes the part. You have to check the values by modifying values on each step. Like there I clicked on add to cart. Before, when the post request is being made, just try to change the price or quantity or anything that is available. But I already did, so I knew that it's not going to work. But what we can do is we can just try to change the price. So try to modify the value here of the quantity. Well, forward. Now this is the request for the quantity modification. You can see it's just 2. Let's just make it 0.001. The initial price is 1499. We'll forward it. You can just check intercept and check the response also. Okay? So we'll click on it. What is this thing? Press fragments. Forward. Just click on checkout. Okay, let's just turn off the intercept. Well, you can see the price was updated. It became 30.50. If I click on this, the price is 1.50 for the 1499 priced item, and 29 is the shipping charge. So the total price becomes 30.50. Again, don't make the payment, otherwise you will just lose your money. So this is how you can do price tampering, guys. Again, if you find price tampering on any website, better report to the site support or the developer. Okay. Now we learned to do quantity tampering, card tampering, checkout tampering, gift card tampering. Also, in some website there is the option to pay in crypto. So instead of the amount in INR, it will be written, the amount will be written in cryptos like BTC or USDT kind of thing. So again, you have to do the same thing. You just to change the value of the crypto. Now one more thing that I was not able to show because I wasn't able to find any website was that there may be option for some tip or discount. Let's say there is an option to pay tip to the delivery boy, or let's say 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, or 1000 rupees. Let's say what you have to do, you have to just try to change the value of that tip to negative. Okay, let's say your total cart item is worth 1000, and you have an option to add a tip of, let's say, rupees 10. So what you will do, you will just click on the 10, okay, on the website. But when you will intercept the request in Burp Suite, what you will do, you will just make it, let's say, minus, just modify the 10 to minus 999. So what will happen, this plus this will become 1, okay. So basically tip is added to the price, so 1000 plus minus 999 will become 1. So you just have to pay 1 rupees. So these are some of the ways by which you can do price tempering. Now how to find low security websites, it's very easy. I'll just make it quick. Go to here, type in title, and let's say you want to buy some groceries. So what you do, you will just type groceries. Now this is known as Google Docs, and in text you will type, let's say, pay online. Okay, or you can type UPI, or you can type any payment gateway that you are comfortable with. Now, what does this mean? If I just run enter, this is, first of all, this is a Google Docs. Basically, we call it Docs, and it makes us to search accurately for these products. Now, all the responses that you will get in this page will contain two things. First, it will be grocery website, and then it will have an option to pay online. Now, in title means this thing, okay, and in text means this description part. Okay, so if I just scroll down, you find these websites which provide groceries. So what you have to do, you have to ignore the top listed websites as they are likely to be more secure. But you can just, if you haven't heard of any website or any website is new, you can just try to find out the price tempting. What you can do, you can just go to the next page, again check for low security websites. You have to do it manually. You have to find all the bugs manually. No one is going to help you. So just try to move to the pages where you actually never go. So let's say third page, fourth page, fifth page, you will find some websites which are very less secure or highly vulnerable. So you can just try price tempering on those websites. Okay? So this is how you do price tempering. Again, if this video is deleted, just try to find it on Telegram. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you love this video, leave a like and dislike. You can hit my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.